I'm Julia Sondu, showing you where development is happening. Please come and join us. The Santiago Bernabeu of the 21st century, the building of a dream. The Santiago Bernabeu is set to undergo a facelift which will ensure that the arena continues to be a global benchmark within the worlds of sport and architecture. According to Florentino Perez, the new stadium will continue to be the setting that generates the emotions which will leave their mark on Real Madrid's future. It'll be the best stadium in the world in which to see us once again recognized at the end of the century as the best club of the 21st century. It'll offer a new stadium, heritage, and be a new source of pride for our members and fans. The joint project led by GMP Arquitectos and L35 Rebus successfully secured the tender to oversee a revamp of a stadium that is poised to become a global role model. The renovation work will see the Bernabeu become a state-of-the-art arena that satisfies the demands of club members, whilst also increasing the club's revenue streams. One standout feature will be the stadium's wraparound facade, which will consist of strips of steel and stripes which can be lit up and upon which images can be projected. The new arena will also offer the option for the pitch to be covered by both permanent and retractable roofs, a feature which will ensure that all of the seating areas are covered. The revamp will make the Santiago Bernabeu a more modern, comfortable and safe arena and see it enhanced with the addition of leisure, restaurant and entertainment areas. Technology takes its place at the heart of the project. There will be an area within the stadium devoted to esports, whilst the arena will be fitted out with an impressive 360-degree scoreboard. The redevelopment will see the Santiago Bernabeu become a digital arena, in which technological advances and the use of audiovisual tools will be available across many areas of the stadium. For example, fans will be able to enjoy club-generated content that enhances their matchday experience on their mobile phones and tablets, in what is known as the use of a second screen. Date revealed for inauguration of the new Santiago Bernabeu. Real Madrid hope to officially open the new Santiago Bernabeu in December 2023. The new Santiago Bernabeu will be officially presented next December. The stadium is expected to be completed around September or October, but the official inauguration will not be until December after a break in La Liga. This information has been confirmed by Catalina Monaro, director of ACS, and also the only woman who forms part of the board of directors for Real Madrid. Estadio Santiago Bernabeu, with its roof practically assembled and with work being carried out in one of the stadium's back areas. Real Madrid continue to oversee work on their stadium, with the development moving into a new phase. Details are being finalized to reach the completion date and finish what will be one of the most impressive sporting venues in the world. In the final stretch of the stadium project, the work is entering its final stretch and some parts of the stadium are already finished. Never before has the partially closed roof been seen from the inside, as work in this area has yet to be completed until this moment. The club's objective is to have the stadium ready for the start of the 2023-24 season, when the stadium will be a multi-purpose arena, in addition to hosting football matches at the highest level in the world. A laboratory will be created to maintain the Santiago Bernabeu's turf. Real Madrid does not want to leave anything to chance when it comes to the construction and operation of the Estadio Santiago Bernabeu's greenhouse system, in which the stadium's grass will be kept when the facilities are used for non-footballing purposes. In order to take extreme care with every detail of the structure, which is unique in this type of sports facility, the club has built a laboratory in a 900-square-meter building at its Valdebebas sports complex. There, the conditions in which the grass will be stored in the stadium's cave are recreated, in order to provide the complex with a variety of uses that will allow the club to significantly increase its income. New Santiago Bernabeu, the jewel of Real Madrid. The new Santiago Bernabeu is a project that has been in the making for the past 7 years. The president of Real Madrid FC, Florentino Perez, began accepting proposals since 2012, and the dream of having a new Santiago Bernabeu has finally come true. Last April, Florentino Perez, along with the mayor of Madrid, presented the project for the renovation of the Santiago Bernabeu stadium that will begin in the summer of 2019, and it is estimated to be completed in the year 2023. News that have cheered the whole Madridista fan base, as it will be one of the best stadiums in the world. Since the Santiago Bernabeu is located in the middle of the city, its remodeling has presented a great challenge due to the restrictions of free space for its expansion. The reform of the Real Madrid house has been designed by the group of architects GMP, L35, RIBAS, with the current market needs in mind. We will see an update on the experience that the visitor will have with the facilities, which promote a personal interaction within the new spaces. Real Madrid FC has been able to achieve an investment that exceeds €575 million. The new Santiago Bernabeu will have commercial and social areas that will offer alternatives for leisure, social interaction and business exchange. After renovations, the Santiago Bernabeu will have a new space of 66,700 square meters, which includes new urban areas and gardens. Only 20,000 square meters will correspond to a new square in the Paseo de la Castellana, where Rafael Salgado Street will become pedestrian, as well as another 5,500 square meters of gardens that will replace the shopping center La Esquina del Bernabeu. The Santiago Bernabeu will have some 3,000 new locations thanks to a change over the third amphitheater on the east side. It will have a change of appearance with the demolition of 2 towers, placing the supports where the new deck will go, and will gain 12 meters in height. Its exterior appearance will be one of the biggest novelties, a variable lighting system, on the same line as the Allianz Arena in Munich. The next phase will be the placement of a radial structure that covers the entire facade. It will also feature a 360 video marker, one of the emblems of the new stadium. As for the technological aspect, which will represent an investment of €100 million, the placement of a new translucent stainless steel shell that will cover the stadium is planned, which will feature a new LED lighting system that could be offered in different colors on the outside, until it becomes a screen to show videos or text. A construction of a metal enclosure of all exterior that culminates with a retractable cover, which will take 15 minutes to open. This for sure will be the jewel of the crown in 2023. According to the plans, the remodeling of Santiago Bernabeu Stadium will be done in several facets. They will start with the disassembly of the original cover, which will be done when there are no football games. A new step will be created on the third amphitheater, which will allow restructuring the capacity and will create an asymmetry in the silhouette of the stadium. The installation of the new retractable cover, which will have as base a compression ring supported on the existing concrete bases. A 360-degree video marker will be placed on a tensioned radial structure. They will continue with the creation of the new facade of La Castellana, which includes a translucent coating that allows the control of natural light. The Santiago Bernabeu will grow 12 meters and will be 57 meters high, will debut 3,000 new seats for a total capacity of 82,000 spectators. The current tour of the Bernabeu will also be expanded and a new interactive museum will be opened. A brand new shopping area with restaurants, shops and even an entertainment center with virtual reality stations and esports. This remodeling also includes 2 new towers and access ramps to meet the needs of people with disabilities. Among the new facilities that can be enjoyed in the new Santiago Bernabeu, we can count Museum and Tour of the Bernabeu, with the expansion of the museum and the tour. It is estimated in a very conservative way an increase of 1 million visitors per year. New Interactive Museum. On the east side will be located a new interactive museum of Real Madrid. Double screen, for the projection of games and concerts. E-commerce, with conference spaces. E-sports, new spaces for virtual sports. Restaurants, remodeling of the current restaurants, as well as the creation of new bars. Flagship store Real Madrid, the sponsoring brand of Real Madrid, Adidas, will continue offering its line of the same name. The improvements in accessibility and comfort are additional benefits that the city will have with the remodeling of the Santiago Bernabeu. The construction of 2 public spaces will be developed, one on the Castellana side and another where the La Esquina shopping centre is located. Everything that has to do with the maintenance of these spaces will be handled by the Real Madrid FC itself. Also, it will have a construction of a large atrium on the side of Castellana, with a height of 21 meters that will be a future visual reference of the stadium, as well as the adaptation of the rest of the doors and corridors. They will help a better and faster distribution to the assistants for the stadium. Another part of the project includes the construction of up to 20 new entrances is planned, and the architectural barriers will be eliminated, which will allow a better evacuation in case of emergency. Improvements in comfort. All the chairs will be updated with a width of 55 centimeters, unlike the current 45 centimeters, making it possible to watch a live football game with the greatest comfort. 1,000 locations are planned for people with reduced mobility. Heating is maintained throughout the stadium and a new ventilation system will be implemented. The new face of the Santiago Bernabeu promises endless new possibilities of fun for all of us who live or visit Madrid. It will be the new center for the best football games, conventions, music concerts and esports tournaments that will put a new stamp on this much-loved stadium in Madrid. The renovation of the Santiago Bernabeu will turn it into one of the best in the world, where the Real Madrid FC crest will be shown with a spectacular background. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.